Oh, we have a guest for tonight,
yeah.
brother. Yeah, Mark Parks. Let's go. Yeah.
Word.
What style did you get today, brother?
6-stitch braids, my boy.
6-stitch braids. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. May game ka ba soon?
It's Wednesday. We gotta catch them on Wednesday.
Wednesday. Saan team ka ba naglalaro ngayon?
Outside.
Pasay. Anong liga to? MPBL, no?
At BBL.
Alright, alright. Anong position mo ngayon doon, bro?
Shooting guard and small forward.
Shooting guard and small forward. Ah, okay.
Sometimes I play power forward.
Okay, okay, okay. Nasang part na kayo na season ngayon?
We're halfway through the season. I'm about to be in the playoffs. We're in a pretty good standing right now, so thank God for that.
Yes, sir. Praise God.
Oh, you should have just went straight.
Oo nga, no? We can, it's not a problem.
Hey, it's not a problem. It's always
Pero
like
ikot
that.
na lang tayo, no? Ano kalaban nyo this coming next game?
This upcoming next game, depends who wins the other team. It might be,
Left, no?
yeah, lefty though. They haven't posted the teams yet, so I'm gonna find that soon.
Okay, okay. Anong height mo, bro?
6'3".
6'3", yes, sir. 6'3". Si Ray ba? Anong height ni Ray?
Ray's like, he's the same height as me.
6'3 din, no?
Yeah.
6'3", 6'3". Tapos, diretso tayo? Diretso lang. 6'3". Anong favorite shoes mo gamitin, brother, pagka naglalaro ka ng basketball?
Right now, I'd say I like the serious player.
Siyempre.
Yeah.
Shout out tayo sa serious player.
Yo,
Size 8.5 ako sa serious player. Pagka kunwaring LV, 8.5. Comfortable yung shoes nila.
They are comfortable. Once you play it, breaking them, it's like Kobe's. But like,
Yeah.
look cleaner. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you po. Thank you po. Anong tawag dito? Ano ang pinaka-highest point sa game na ano, bro? Sa game mo?
Highest points a game ko.
Yes, sir.
In this league.
Oo.
21.
81.
Yeah. Well, it's gonna be more. It's still early.
Yeah.
It's gonna be more.
So, pagpa-pray natin yan. Pagpa-pray natin yan na mangyari. No?
Through God, anything's possible, brother.
Yes, with God, anything is possible, brother. Tama yun. Tama yun. Ano hinanap mo, bro?
Without a thing, cause everything's gonna be. Man, you gotta play that music, man.
Ang pinapakinggan ko ngayon mga ano eh, worship song. Yun ang ano eh. Pero dati nakikinig din ako ng Bob Marley.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Bob Marley.
Baby, don't worry. That goes for anything in life, brother.
Oh. Basta trust the Lord, no?
Trust the Lord and trust the.
Trust the Lord, yun lang ang pwede mong pagkatiwalaan, brother.
Yup.
Trust the Lord, wala na mas lalakas pa sa Panginoon natin. Ang tawag dito, ano mga preparation mo, game preparation mo before ka maglaro, brother?
I like to do yoga,
Yoga.
first thing in the morning, or just lift weights. You know, just get my mind straight. Sometimes I even do like a 10-minute jogging. You know, first thing in the morning. So anything I do first thing in the morning is more on activity, body activities, and then after that I just relax for a bit.
Okay, okay,
You know,
okay.
try to read Bible, or just relax. You know, do whatever, and then snacks, breakfast, and all that. And then after, usually just
And syempre, magpapa-braids muna kayo. Saan ka nagpapa-braids, brother?
Premium braids now.
Premium Braids Manila. Doon nagpapa-braid si Mark. Paano mo paano mo ba minemaintain yung braids mo or yung cornrows mo?
I always just put a do-rag on when I'm not usually in the shower, or just put oil, from here and there to keep it moisturized and keep it clean and smooth. So I usually recommend that for people who has curly hair that don't know how to do it. So that's usually how you just keep it maintained. Just to keep that frizz down as much as possible. Of course, you need the foam. What's that called?
Mousse. Yeah.
Mousse, yeah, definitely. That's a must too. Yeah, but that's about it, man.
Mousse. How long tumatagal yung cornrows sa'yo?
How long am I?
Like how long it's lasts?
I'd say about a week and a half. If I don't play basketball for here and there for a certain while, I probably make it last for like 3 weeks. Since I play every day.
How old are you when you first get your hair braided, brother?
I was 16, 15. No, actually, I did it when I was younger, but it looked so bad. And, I didn't get the braids right after that, so I waited like years later until my hair was at a certain point. And I was around 16.
And this is it. Where is this? Memphis, Shout out to my Memphis people. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We need more people out here from Memphis, man.
Memphis is a good place,
It
though.
was a good place. I'm telling you, bro. Like, they got good vibes there.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, they got good vibes there.
Of course, your clan is from Memphis, no?
Yeah. So I know those people out there.
Yes, sir. Mamaya pakita natin yung braids mo.
See ya.
Sir, yes sir, yan ang kinuha mo ngayon, bro.
Yes, sir.
6 braids, bagay na bagay, oh.
It's tough. Get up with my brother, man.
Yes,
Get up
sir.
with it. Get you right.
Na-drop na natin si Mark dito kala Boss Ray Park, syempre. Salamat, brother, ha.
Salamat.
Thank you sa
Thank you always.
opportunity.
No problem, man. Thank you for always getting me right.
Thank you, thank you.